Matio, no matter what say what you been share attention television and say Facebook Live. Oba me pacho like the page, you know. Now I share nebusan for inside me I can be so at I'm sure YouTube. Subscribe. Or be part of the family. Every notification you will get it and then you follow, you share the stories that need to be heard, viewed and listened to. Now sir I can be an so bedino. That na mensa abrompa berema ya obetimi aframe na mens. Many way to match a coins, Kakrasa. First, they would do come home to Genji near Farmer University Foundation. Say, well, boy, a Pia Yesika from Muno will be a Kamakama number no screen. I say, what I say, monitor, watch, and call University. Now we know any and also a fat sponsorship. A Cobas day could afford them Quadanyan Casabona will be in an amameno, the trip possibility Maboa, I win in a Timacoso, also called Canaway. Now ma Sidia and Ragana for a nim. Sasra producer pa na Jessica pa wobo ejuma e mane ye face and send a factor. And sama e kan ko an hwehwe e ma yeso twetwete ma wonsa etimi kan bia fei. Wa de tonde bia o pese de bia me kan o se ene wiase e abefo nimdia nsa aka no. O pese wa de tonde e ko animu etra okuru mantem woman. Etra abibiman e ko emrofo na se nkuru atwa nwahia mesro eno ane abefo ntintan fide kese internet ba konso ene attention tv bra neska kuma be benya bia ne fanfa ha na mansan ehu ne mahodo woye ewo storm ho company ho the institution ba bibiara no bia entimi patronize sana bia Ghana ebeye de ene krabehwe de ma woni obusia ne nkoma ibidim senchi be na brunye ba less than a month na enter December yewura openima muso pe na yenim wera emaifo plan so yanka carelessness so de badio na asa konhia ba na eba enro dem no kasa ya anya school junction be your office wana there was an accident you just already can't hear that what I say na eno nanam so emma dean Erema School of Performing Arts and Linguistics lecturer ewo Legon Professor Kofi Ajekum Watufo Eriama wana utwika anaze ahyen ene ye na ye nam akwan so no Watufo de amaye na de tenie wonu say we driver they be I don't believe in before you be now because before has no trousers before has no short before has no shoe to walk the before talking about is you and myself the before we complain the before we pray no then you know you know me ya anya ne ma ye pay better than before yes the mechanic that is a brompa ya anya nyema yi ya de ni suban be dane bayi suban adentina ohyenkani as a driver utwika na sanso ye call aden na utwika na wo ye call obisi if I don't if my accident bisi may issue the headphone or the earpiece what do say can twi I'm not a driver do I drive but I don't drive as in person is good what do you say what they were told what the online onsa when ni impon waso every part of you no eye juma during driving so as a driver person just nipa akra nkwakuta wonsem now say me ye call waso ne be nya be ya what ye call at the same time was also driving it's uncalled for enya dey say fata seat mi so e be nipa ye two passengers mo ka be na accident mi ba me penintem driver mbacho tia so me kwa me come meeting there's a conference ma kodun tema de na wuye na traffic kwasa ya so twemukọ then parts of this passengers too driver to bo haya na okọ enya haya de enya blekum haya na okọ enya haya na okọ to bo then confusion set in so the driver no what happens eno nam so a professor Kofi Ajekum etrum so besre ya yusu kwan ya etwi ahye ni nyina no obi anya ni da ho na nipa was say humans are irreplaceable. What do you mean for BBS in the Panama? Papa will say, I meet him to offer. Akonya will say, meet my roof. TV will say, but then human being, sorry to say, the producer who are there's nobody who can be like Najisi Kappa. But he's not going to die now, or be 94 years above. Okay, amen. And the master say, what two for say, a bear, your money in now. Yeah, cross a coin, and anti-council, any just singing down. Ye make na ona sabi nipa enkwa yetimi fa hwe ensia na mane ye bible kro pa kan se enkyene da yira enye mahwe biu I just shegu and my minimum yet Matthew 5 down. What I say? And Tinipa will be intimate from Bianca 19 or 2% Japa. Now, when you so be say, was it according to data provided by the Center for Transport Security Dialogue, Ghana has between January and October this year recorded 2,380 fatal accidents. Bosumi duntem, bosumi edu entem. Akonja makomako empimienu ahasa aduwotwe. Sabe nyen confirm na ewu nipa na ewu ananye nipa nyen confirm na nyen nwere bubu yo nipa ena kunya kwanhia. Na sabe tayi otirimu say over 12,000 people have reportedly sustained various degrees of injuries from road accidents within 10 months. Empim dumi 12,000 or accident na emu a pre sabi enkase or because of a driver and a passenger. A mistake be a cause here. Why? And Jafene Manomesho Pase or Cambrafu and a quote, and I quote, we forget that humans are irreplaceable. They be any reference a nipa day. Yet me of Shinshana night. Before we pine or meeting a fufro abeye juma by nippons way. But the question I ask myself and everybody who watches and listens to me is say, I send a fan kusiano. Ka e fa kusua brand theater. Ka e fa kusua de bre maamia kusua mane ton. Da ben ya tse kusua kan accident. Within a year, how many times any yet say ka bi ko fa kusua an accident? It doesn't happen. It's not as human. Kusua o make sure kusua ba ko na bombo. What the crank kwanta sa dia bedu. Na kusua create no. Ba ko na tripe na abo. But only part that send kwabrane etimu na accident aba. Oh Charlie, what kind of beings are we? What kind of beings are we? Driver could so go ne car takes time, drive so nicely, so carefully, so enthusiastically. But driver with passengers human in his vehicle or car drives anyhow. Or more brother be oh Charlie me share go basisi here. Me share go basisi here. Asif so kuta nema bi enye nipa tipa cho yonko nenko hwa futusem enkutia futusem a opanyini wode maye to have this done.
What the wonders. Papa J. Move back. You can't get this man. Go back.
Fast, but many of them moya tinka gra. One or two points I'd like to make. Mukai said, "Dumso no ohaya ba midwa." Fine. A few days ago, I think 2 days or so ago, we were Ghanaian Times or yesterday, a picture of young Paul's Nubaku somewhere near a jam as here. Naturally, it won't stand. It may collapse. It will short circuit. Electricity will not get to the next stage. Young time, no. Why am I saying this to you? You come from all over Ghana.
Okay. Papa J, may your soul rest in perfect peace. And it's for you depicts something small about your former and my late president, John Jerry Rawlings. Nyame emfanekra NC. Also, I had young coupon show. Na me na wase hotimi atena homa yakotwa ye ho aba na rahusema ye kan si Kolebotichin Hospital na November say ya November 12 last year emra yeti say we yare kakra bi ne Russia ya bibisa itimi ekoto ye na wonya mfinhia makomako edoson miensa 73 years wonyini kakra de ye kan say yakopon fa ne currency measure say the cost of mood bia na change of mood bia ba so let's absorb it and then try to maintain ourselves. It's not easy. Papa J wasn't just a man, he wasn't just a president, he wasn't just a father, he wasn't just for NDC, he stood for a lot of people. Yes. We intimate kind of seminar things at the right time. We come to discuss more about him, and then you get to know why, how, where about this gentleman. I mean, funny crazy. Near bomb price, I been young quantity be 73 plus, you been now that's your bush of war, your name, penny for medical call, criticize excellence in the former elite president, Prof. Evans, if at Mills, in a question at a tour among so. The minister, God bless you, say with me, when he at chess, and the 1 year anniversary of the late former president, Papa J. Me sure me patcho like the page, subscribe to our YouTube page, patrona share when ebusia na be kan busia na ho se ne be ya every notification on trending stories and news when sabitima can be na Jessica pa and the producer, me director is around, me editor, my camera guys nkoponyo makasino shamo medino na na marisa abrompa berma ya from na mais. God bless you.